So for this DIY, you'll need these table scatters from Dollar Tree and this silver rimmed mirror that's round, also from Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and put the small pink table scattered hearts all the way around our mirror, and now I'm just coming in with these pink stickers, and these are also from Dollar Tree. You do need to cut out each individual sticker because otherwise they come off on one whole row comes off, and so that's what I did. I cut out some of these stickers and then I placed them in between each of my hearts. Once I did that, I began hot gluing all of my hearts all the way around the rim of the mirror. So now I'm just taking my hot glue all the way around the rim of this Dollar Tree candlestick or stand, and I'm using hot glue for video purposes. You might want to use a more heavier duty glue like E6000 if you want this to really stay. But like I said, I'm just doing hot glue for video purposes. For this next DIY, you'll need one of these pink foam hearts from the Dollar Tree. Now taking some of these really pretty roses from the Dollar Tree. It's really great because they just pop right off. I ended up buying 3 of these roses, 3 bunches of these roses, and I'm just taking all of these off. So now I'm just taking these roses from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to poke them into the foam. That works really well. However, if you want, you can use hot glue. There were some parts that it didn't really want to stick into the foam, so there's an option there. And once I figure out where I want all of my flowers, I didn't want them all the way around because I thought that was too much. I took some of the larger and some of the smaller table scatter and I put it all the way around my heart, wherever I wanted it, and then I'm just hot gluing those hearts in place on my wreath. You can do this however you'd like, however your heart desires. So that's all you have to do for this DIY. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. It's so Valentine's Day-y. Well, if that's a word, but it is today. To make this next DIY, I have this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the frame itself says aim to inspire. These were out a little while ago, but anywho, I have a piece of paper that I cut the size of my frame, and on that paper I stuck 3 stickers that are roses, and those roses are from the Paris wall art stickers that Dollar Tree carries. And I just thought this was so simple and so cute, and it looks so adorable with all my Valentine's Day decor. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. So here is the finished 2019 Valentine's Day decor pieces. I thought this turned out so cute and they were all so simple and easy to make. And then I also took some of my rosebuds that I didn't use and just put them all the way around my little display here. I have this rose that is also from the Dollar Tree that lights up. I believe they have these every once in a while. And then I put some table scatters on my table there. And of course I have my wreath that I made, and I think it's absolutely adorable. If you enjoyed these DIYs, don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have an absolutely perfect day, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!